This delicious pasta dish has no difficult techniques involved. There is no chopping involved, just pure magic in a pan. But there is a catch. You must move fast. Look at that. Ingredients for 2 people. First, the pasta. We need to get a pasta that cooks in 2-3 minutes the most. So I chose fresh egg linguine, okay? 2 garlic cloves, 1 per person. 1 small can of Italian peeled tomatoes. I don't recommend you to use passata, diced tomatoes, or tomato paste. The reason why is because peeled tomatoes are a lot better in quality, in my opinion. You can also use cherry tomatoes in a can if you find them. A dozen of pitted Sicilian olives, but you can use any olives you like. A full spoon of capers, make sure they're washed. You can use more or less, or you don't have to use them. A nice bunch of basil, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Make sure you have a large pot of boiling water ready before you start the recipe, because you need to cook the pasta in boiling water. To do this recipe in less than 5 minutes, we need to cook on a medium-high heat, okay? So get a nice fry pan. I'm gonna put a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons of water, a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil, which it could be about 4 or 5 tablespoons. The reason why I put the water in is because I don't want the garlic to burn. I like to grate. You can grate or crush the garlic because it releases the flavors. I chose garlic because garlic cooks in 30 seconds. If you want to use the onion, you can, but keep in mind it will take about 10 minutes only to cook the onion. So the garlic is the best choice here. Now the garlic is ready, as you can see, it's already golden. Takes really 30 seconds for the garlic to cook. Now, peeled tomatoes. You can crush them by hand, just like that. Or we just put them in, just like that. And what we do, we gently squash them. The reason why I like to use peeled tomatoes is because this is the closest to freshness. Peeled tomatoes are great for quick dishes like this, or also good for slow cooking recipes. That's why I love this type of tomatoes. So now we can add the capers, so they release the flavors, make sure they're washed, and the olives. So where did I get inspired for this recipe? I got inspired by the panzerotti, the fried pizza from Puglia. The original panzerotti filling has tomato sauce, capers, basil, and mozzarella, and pecorino for some lovers. Of course, I'm not using mozzarella. What I've done, I've used olives to make it more Mediterranean. It's been 2 minutes, so I'm gonna put salt, as much as you like. I'm going to put pepper. And now we're going to cook the pasta. Quickly stir. As you can see, the sauce it's ready, okay, in 2 minutes. So now let's go and cook the pasta, which takes 2 minutes. I always say, add a generous tablespoon of sea salt in the water. Now we're going to boil the pasta for 2 minutes. If you want to learn how to make fresh pasta, please go and watch my latest video on how to make fresh pasta, and you can do this in no time, and it's gonna be fantastic. You will love it. You won't believe how easy it is to make fresh pasta. Look how beautiful this moment is. Oh, where's the pasta? The pasta is disappearing. Let's get a little bit of pasta water. Let's put it in the sauce. Not too much. And we'll quickly stir the sauce. Here we go. Right, now let's quickly mix. Guys, the pasta is ready. In 4.5 minutes, we are done. We're ready to serve. Now let's put a little splash of pasta water and let's toss it. It's very important to toss because you really mix the ingredients very well together. You get like an emulsion. See, it's so important to do this. Look at that, look at that. Switch off the stove. Now look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beautiful pasta done in 5 minutes. Look at this pasta made in less than 5 minutes. Isn't this wonderful? Isn't this great? If you don't like olives, don't use them. You don't like capers, don't use them. This pasta will be delicious even if you just use peeled tomatoes, basil and garlic. And of course we leave basil to last because we need to add the fresh flavors of basil. We want the basil to release all the flavors right now at the end. We don't want to cook the basil in this. Just there, just break it in with your hands. Don't chop the basil, please. A little more touch of pasta water. Another toss. And we're now ready to serve this beautiful pasta. The cooking was fast, done in 4 minutes and 45 seconds. But the delivery is slow. And the eating, slowly and calm. Look at this beautiful silky linguine. Look at that beautiful sauce. Nice rustic look. Beautiful. Delicious. Now we decorate it with our olives. Final touch. Basil on top. There is one important ingredient you cannot miss. It's the pecorino cheese. Listen to that sound. Beautiful. Beautiful. Try and twirl your pasta. If you're lucky enough, you get the basil, you get the capers, and then just before you eat it, you get one olive. Best time of the video, eating time. Simplicity at its best. Silky pasta. Beautiful rustic sauce. The capers are there, but not overpowering, but they give you a nice flavor to the tomato sauce. The olives are a very nice addition, I think. And the basil, you cannot miss the basil. No, the basil is a must. It's really, really good. Another winner. In 5 minutes, you can please your belly and your family, your friends' bellies. Everyone will be so happy with this. You don't like capers? Remove them. You don't want olives? Remove them. And it will still be delicious. Simple ingredients, maximum flavors. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia! Vincenzo's Plate.